Hi, in this presentation we want to show you the room manager for Office 365. After the installation, the first configuration steps that you have to take. And let's start just by these topics here. Room manager homepage, the tiles, these are the promoted links which you can customize if needed. The promoted links, this is this web part here, edit page, and the first step of the configuration related to your site, the sites and locations. So this is what you will see. After you have installed the room manager site, you see we use a subsite name 200 OK. This can be any name that you can select when you create the subsite. This is the very first page. On the site pages home ASPX, and you see here we have on the left the quick launch. This can be edited, as well the global navigation. We have the ribbons related to this page, and then under the page, on the page, the promoted links. These are quick links which can be used out of the box, or you can as well customize that by clicking on the promoted links, and you see here the icons that we use. This can be changed by changing the existing icons or just by adding new icons. And the task pane open, you give a title here, the background image, the file location, the link location where the user should be redirected to, and other settings which are related to the tiles. You find more information about promoted links web part when you search on Google. You will see other explanations and guidelines for setting up that. The home page, the home ASPX, is the entry page, and as you see here, this is a SharePoint Classic page, and this page can be edited at any time. If you use edit page, please be aware that you need advanced skills. So you see there are sections here, and these sections can be populated and uploaded with custom web parts if needed. When you go to insert in the ribbon, you see here the web parts, and under web parts you can add additional web parts from Microsoft or Room Manager relevant web parts. Please take care that these operations can break the page, so you really need to know what you want to do here before you take any steps. Number two would be then the promoted links, edit page, and then the first step would be then sites and locations. So the site has not yet been shared. There are some steps you have to take, and probably the first step you want to take is under site content, sites and locations. We have two lists here, sites and locations. This is the location link and this is the site. In sites you enter and manage all your regional boundaries, your cities. In this sample you see we have two sites, New York and London. And we have additional to each site a location which is linked to. So when you go to the locations list, you will see as well the locations. We have 4 locations. 2 of them are bound to the site London and 2 are bound to New York. So you can edit these locations and you can create new locations just by entering the new button, enter the title, and select from where to which site this location is bound to, and then just click save, and then you will have sites and locations configured. Once sites and locations are configured, you will see in the booking form that the user can select the site. We have 2 sites here, and when the user selects the sites, you see the locations are fetched. So Fifth Avenue, Madison Square are bound to New York, and depending on the selection you use here, all the available resources for a given date, for a given time, by a site and location will be populated in the booking form. These are the first steps to set up your homepage, to manage your promoted links, to edit the page maybe, be careful there, and to add your sites and locations to configure them for your needs.